Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how we can fix Epic Games slow updates and download speeds. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on the profile icon here, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to download and go to download settings, then scroll down until you see limit download speeds, select it and then make it to 0 here, right? And then apply the changes, look if the problem persists after that. And if this doesn't help, just uncheck it and you're good to go, okay? Or you can change it to really high number like 10,000, okay? And after that, try and look if the problem persists after that, okay? Then write run or on search or simply press Windows and I key, and then here you need to write % local app data %, right? So local. Then you need to look for Epic Games folder. So it will be here. Then go to this folder here, or it should be Epic Games Launcher. Epic Games Launcher, and then you will see saved and web cache. So delete that particular web cache. But first, what you need to do here is to completely close Epic Games, because as you can see here, when Epic Games is running, you cannot delete that file. So I just close it, and now I can delete this particular file. After that, what you can do next is to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, find your internet connection and make sure its meter connection is off, okay? Then you need to go to advanced network settings, data usage, and look, maybe some programs that you don't use uses a lot of your data, so you can check it here and then delete in the control panel. Another thing that you need to do here is to write on search view network connections, then find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, make sure to internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then go to internet protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes, look if the problem persists. There is alternative DNS server, Cloudflare's one. It's 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. You can try this as well. And once you apply the changes, open up CMD or command prompt, run as admin. Then here you need to write ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. Then you can close this, then go on settings again. And here you need to look for network and internet, advanced network settings, and then look for network reset and reset your network and restart your computer. And after that, your problem should be fixed if you have decent internet connection, of course. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.